what we got here is a steering column shaft from a 3rd Gen 4runner. And anybody that's either solid axle swapped their truck or somehow used a IFS steering box knows there's a little bit of a limited market availability on what universal you can get for the steering shaft, steering wheel side of the shaft. This is a 36 spline, 17.5 millimeter. These skip teeth right here are what get you from using a standard Borgeson joint or maybe like a Woodward joint. Try to get this thing to focus in here, but that little skip tooth right there that gets you. And then the spline count here is normal for 36. So what we're going to do is we're going to grind this little skip tooth out. We're going to grind this area back here, and that should allow us to put on a more standard universal joint, which gets you some more options than trail gear joint. I had failure with the trail gear joint, probably 2 to 3 degrees of play in it at 20 miles, just parking lot time. I did climb a loading dock wall with it, full disclosure, but I'm not going to buy another Chinese joint. So I bought a 36, 34 with the skip tooth on it from Woodward. They make NASCAR parts for steering, so I trust the quality, USA made. Let's give this thing a shot. Yeah, so here we go. We got the splines ground off. I try to get some focus in here on this guy. A little hard for the camera to zoom, but it's not the cleanest cut. If you maybe come up with some kind of jig or some kind of fence or something, you might be able to get a little cleaner cut. But I'm pretty happy with it. Your trusty DeWalt angle grinder. Use a little roll-up disc, little flap disc to polish her up. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I here's a Borgeson joint I fucked up, or you could use a trail gear one, because you're probably about where I'm at with those. But they pretty much goes right on. I'm gonna move this back and forth a couple times. I hit it with the little wire brush to clean it up. But I'm really satisfied with the result. And if the universal does ever go bad again, readily available, easy to find. Thanks for watching.